Here I have taped the template provided with the door hardware kit. This is for the Outswing Door hardware kit. I'm deciding to put my latch at 36 inches tall. You know, this could go anywhere in this area. And this, of course, is on the outside of the door, and it's telling the instructions state to drill a 5/16 or a 1/4 inch hole the entire way through the door. Before I assemble my latch system, I'm going to make sure all my components are going to work properly. This, of course, is on the outside of the door, and this is looking good on the inside of the door. And then the latch here does require a little assembly, and you want this to put together in this manner. We're now going to install the push rod. Notice there's a spring that I'm going to slide onto the push rod. And there's a location on the outside portion of my handle for this to attach to. This is now ready to feed through my door. Has a location to receive this push rod. And I'm going to just do a test, and we can see that this is going to work. We're now ready to assemble this using 2 screws provided in the kit to go through here and into here. I've attached the 1 Phillips head screw, and again, I'm making sure this is working correctly. And this is going to feed through here. Preferring to use a hand screwdriver instead of a drill gun. And your latch is successfully installed. And notice that this also has a lock on it. As you can see, this door is functioning very well just using our door jamb. So it's up to you if you install a strike. There are 2 sizes of strikes included in the kit, and the screws provided are not self-tappers, so I will have to pre-drill these. And you can see this is going to add strength to your door by adding this strike. So I'm going to pre-drill these and add the strike. We're ready to install this portion that the closer attaches to. This is a portion that's going to be attached to the post. And this is going to be attached with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And you're going to want to install this just below the line here of this, catching this profile going across here. I have the skinnier of the 2 pins here, and now I'm going to attach my closer to this piece of hardware. And I've pre-positioned this piece of hardware right here that I'm able to take my pin and drop that in place. Now, I will be adding 1 screw here, but this gives you the demonstration. This screw allows for some adjustment to make sure everything's working properly. And we also have the option to put some tension here on your closing cylinder, but we have an operating screen door.